Welcome back to the channel. Today, we continue exploring some of the most enchanting landscaping ideas designed to elevate your entryway into a work of art. Whether you love romantic cottage garden charm or modern natural elegance, your front gate and surrounding pathway can set the entire tone for your property. In this guide, we'll revisit 10 essential elements that define beautiful, functional, and emotionally captivating entry landscapes. From the power of materials to the drama of climbing plants, each section A gate is more than an entry point. It's the first chapter of your home's landscaping story. Choosing the right height, style, and shape instantly creates presence. Low gates invite warmth, while taller ones add security and a sense of mystery. A well-designed boundary frames the transition from public to private space, signaling that something special lies inside. Even small front yards benefit from a defined gateway because structure brings order, intention, and charm. The cottage garden look thrives on abundant texture and a soft, welcoming mood. Think layered blooms, whimsical shapes, and old-world charm spilling around your entry. This style enhances landscaping by blurring the boundary lines between built and natural elements. It works beautifully with picket gates, curved archways, and weathered materials. The key is controlled abundance, flowers cascading, vines framing the gate, and a palette with repeating pastels. Even with limited space, the cottage aesthetic feels generous. Materials dramatically shape the character of your entryway. Wooden gates offer warmth, rustic charm, and a natural softness that pairs well with cottage-style landscaping. Cedar, oak, and teak age beautifully, and their textures complement floral borders. Metal gates, whether wrought iron, steel, or aluminum, deliver strength, elegance, and a more architectural feel. They're perfect for modern, classic, or minimalist homes. No plant evokes romance quite like climbing roses draped over an entry arch. Their blooms soften hard edges, add rich color, and release a subtle fragrance that enhances the entire landscaping experience. Climbing roses thrive when given a sturdy structure and good airflow. Varieties like Eden, New Dawn, and Don Juan create lush canopies that transform simple gates into fairy tale moments. Even small yards gain vertical impact without roses whisper elegance, Wisteria announces drama. This bold climber creates breathtaking curtains of lavender or white blooms that sway gently with every breeze. Because Wisteria grows vigorously, it's ideal for larger gates, strong pergolas, or entry arches needing a statement piece. Its long, drooping clusters add theatrical flair to landscaping designs. When in full bloom, it turns an ordinary entry into a spectacular visual. While visuals dominate most landscaping decisions, scent brings a deeper sensory experience. A well-scentscaped entryway uses fragrant plants to create an emotional welcome. Lavender, jasmine, honeysuckle, rosemary, thyme, and scented roses all enrich the pathway leading to your gate. Each scent tells a story. Lavender calms, citrusy herbs uplift, and jasmine adds romantic evening softness. Privacy doesn't have to feel closed off or heavy. With clever landscaping, you can create an entry that feels secluded yet inviting. Layered hedges, tall grasses, espaliered trees, and lattice screens covered in climbers give softness while still offering separation. The secret garden effect blends lush greenery with the feeling of stepping into a hidden world. Instead of harsh barriers, you create subtle veils of plant life that filter light and movement. This approach works especially well for small yards where solid walls. Containers at the base of gates or arches add instant personality and versatility. Large urns, clay pots, or cement planters anchor the structure and visually widen narrow paths. Because containers can be moved, replanted, or themed seasonally, they offer endless flexibility in landscaping design. Use tall grasses for vertical lift, flowering annuals for color, or dwarf evergreens for all-season structure. Containers also soften hardscapes. Color placement has tremendous power in small entry landscapes. Warm tones, reds, yellows, oranges, pull the eye forward, while cool tones, blues, purples, silvers, create depth and expansion. For narrow or short pathways, using cooler shades near the gate can visually lengthen the space. Repeating a simplified color palette also brings cohesion. By balancing foliage tones, bloom colors, and hardscape materials, you shape how visitors experience the Edible landscaping is a beautiful way to combine practicality with visual charm. Rosemary hedges, blueberry shrubs, grapevines, potted citrus, and climbing beans can all enhance your entryway. These plants offer fragrance, color, texture, and harvest. They turn everyday landscaping into a living pantry full of seasonal delights. Edible entryways feel friendly and abundant, especially when mixed with ornamental plants. This A beautiful entryway is more than a passage. It's an experience layered with texture, scent, color, and emotion. Through thoughtful landscaping, your gate becomes a story of welcome, personality, and artistry. The 10 sections we revisited today highlight how materials, plants, color, fragrance, and structure all work together to elevate curb appeal. Whether you prefer soft cottage charm or dramatic floral displays, your entryway can become a signature feature that sets